Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for all the creative kids out there, the Just My Style Ultimate Scrapbook. The best scrapbook kit for kids to create and preserve their memories in a fun and artistic way. This 40-page DIY scrapbook is not just any scrapbook. It's a fun, hands-on craft kit that lets kids express themselves through creativity, all while storing their precious memories. Whether it's for a road trip, family vacation, or any special occasion, this scrapbook is perfect for preserving photos, tickets, drawings, and so much more. Inside the kit, you'll find over 800 scrapbook accessories, including vibrant and shiny stickers in fun shapes like unicorns, hearts, flowers, hashtags, and phrases. The best part is, kids can use the alphabet letter stickers to write out their favorite quotes, phrases, or even who's in the pictures, making each page truly unique. There are also plenty of options for personalizing the scrapbook with colorable designs, trendy phrases, and inspirational messages that will keep kids engaged for hours. The Just My Style Ultimate Scrapbook also promotes self-expression and storytelling. Kids can decorate each page with sparkly frames, add sequins and gemstones, or even sketch their own designs. It's all about creating something meaningful and one-of-a-kind. From capturing the moments with friends to sharing the most memorable experiences, this scrapbook kit helps kids tell their stories with pictures, words, and drawings. With a sturdy hardcover and 40 printed pages, this scrapbook is the perfect size for kids to customize without feeling overwhelmed. The kit includes everything you need: a pen for journaling, plastic scissors for cutting out photos or designs, a glue stick for sticking items down, and dimensional stickers to make each page pop. Plus, the included sequins and gemstones add an extra layer of sparkle to the scrapbook, making it even more fun to create and decorate. This kit is ideal for kids ages 6 to 9, making it a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Not only will they have fun decorating their scrapbook, but they'll also have a wonderful keepsake to look back on in the years to come. If you're looking for a creative way for your kids to preserve their memories and express themselves, the Just My Style Ultimate Scrapbook is the perfect choice. So, don't wait. Let your kids dive into a world of imagination and creativity today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique.